Welcome back to EDUSPLORER, and thanks for joining us again. And we really want to appreciate you for watching our videos. For those of you who've been following our channel, you will notice that we look at travel and economic issues in the continent. Africa does not only offer exciting destinations for travelers to visit the amazing continent. However, Africa also offers business opportunities and development, growth, return on investment, which has been echoed from different countries across the continent. Today, we are looking at one of those reasons why you should be investing in some of those amazing countries in the continent that we've made videos about. We will explore in particular this country that we're talking about. We shall review it in different perspectives. And the reason why, if you're an investor in Africa, around the region, if you're an investor also coming from the West, you should consider this particular country. We are talking about Ghana. Ghana has been an example in the continent of Africa. There are lots of other countries that are developing and growing within the region, but today we're going to start with Ghana. There is just no doubt the reason why major corporations and companies like Twitter and the rest around, Microsoft and other major corporations are investing their billions into this particular amazing African country. Some of the reasons why this is so important. Currently today, Western nations, or you say that in the West, that most countries around Europe and America, or the markets in Europe and America or in Asia, are becoming more saturated. So Africa presents a major opportunity for companies that are looking to expand their wealth, expand their own return on investment, develop their businesses and products, and have new market. For example, to grow your business, it's so important to get into uncharted territories and also hide on more often new markets which are unexplored. Opportunities in emerging countries offer one of the highest return in today's globalized marketplace. Beyond China, India, and also Brazil, experts agree that the next great success story will come from the continent of Africa, which is the last frontier market. Ghana's economy is one of the verge and becoming one of the most successful stories in the second decade of the 21st century, with a record GDP growth in recent years, projected to stay above 6% in the next 5 years. Ghana is one of the countries with huge economic potential and immense room for development, beside the fact that it is blessed with numerous natural resources, a fast developing economy, and growing middle class. It's also famous for the exceptional hospitality and also of its inhabitants. In a regional comparison, just to look into different perspectives, Ghana is one of the most economically and politically stable countries in sub-Saharan Africa. It has strong public institutions as well. The institutions are well known, and governance also sound structures. With regards to relatively well-developed financial markets, Ghana's ranked the second in West Africa on the Global Peace Index. Also, looking at Ghana's perspective as well, it's placed around 118 in the world and also about 13 in Africa. Ghana is not only the best place for doing business in West Africa, but the fastest growing economy in the world, according to World Bank's East and Doing Business, considering the figures in 2019. Despite the COVID challenges, we all know that Ghana is going to be moving forward and also becoming even more transformative, as we consider that this amazing African country is a place to invest your billions and millions of dollars for a better return on investment. This notion of that businesses go and die in Africa, that Africa is not a place that businesses are going to strive or succeed. It's not something that is holding ground so far. There's noise around the continent that Africa is not moving forward, it's not developing in a number of ways. Of course, Africa does have its own challenges. However, the notion that businesses is a place where businesses and ideas go and die, that is not something that is really holding ground so far. Now, there is just no reason why Ghana couldn't be considered for as a foreign direct investment destination, with all of these abundant opportunities that are in there to explore an uncharted market and also excel in terms of your investment that are going to be very safe in this country. Ghana attracts lots of people in terms of even African Americans that are moving to live in the continent. Select Ghana to be one of those countries that will attract in terms of their operations and business operations, getting to the continent to know lots of things. Ghana is an example in the continent. When you look at the workforce, the level of reasoning, the capacity building, and the different opportunities in terms of the resources that they do have in place. The Ghanaian people are also believe in what they want to go around in nation building. If you are an investor that moving to the African continent, there are a number of things that you're considering. Looking at not just the workforce, actually, you should be considering the capacity in the country. In terms of the academics, Ghana also offers some of the world's renowned institutions in their own level. If you look at the African continent, some of the best universities in the region are also located in Ghana. Ghana has educated some of the best sons and daughters of the African continent that we all know today. People like Kofi Annan and other extended professionals that are also anchoring different positions. Very renowned journalists like Kamala Dumont, who passed away a couple of years ago. So some of those professionals came from the Republic of Ghana. This country also has huge to offer on the table. And if I'm an investor coming from the West, I want to use Ghana as my launching pad, like I just mentioned before. The people believe in nation building. And I think that this country also has a lot of attractions in a number of areas. So we just want to think about Ghana in different ways. We want to see how Ghanaian people can continue to offer what they are offering so far. It's an interesting country to launch your investment. There are other countries in the continent that also have huge opportunities, but that will be a video for another day. Ghana is an example of a country that if you're moving to the continent, you want to use Ghana as your landing spot, so you are able to get into the other countries around the region and around the continent. If you consider Ghana or you're doing business in Ghana, if you're coming within the region, in the continent, in sub-Saharan Africa, or you are coming from the Western countries to do business in the continent, maybe you want to consider Ghana to be an example of a place where you can get into and then you expand your horizon to different parts across the continent.
For those of you who don't know much about Ghana, Ghana, formerly called the Gold Coast, became independent from British colonial rule as of March 6, 1957. It was the first sub-Saharan African colony to achieve independence. The current total population of Ghana is just over 31 million people, up from official 2010 census figures of 24 million then. And Accra, as its capital and the largest city, has a population of just over 2-something million people. The Greater Accra metropolitan area has about over 4 million inhabitants, which makes it the 11th largest metro area in the African continent. The second largest city is Kumasi, with over 3 million total inhabitants, while Tamale comes in third, with the city's population dropping down to just over 600,000 people. Ghana is well endowed with natural resources, exporting materials such as gold, timber, and also diamond, bauxite, and manganese. And the country is believed to have just over 5 billion barrels of oil reserves. Ghanaian government is committed to establishing and also a private sector friendly environment with low corporate tax rates, tax holidays, customs duties exemptions for plant, machinery, equipment, and also parts, automatic as well, and also immigration quotas, and the relief from double taxation for foreign investors. The investment climate in the country favors foreign investment so far. This favorable atmosphere is rewarded by investors' confidence that can be recognized by the constant growth of foreign direct investment (FDI) in recent years. Ghana has attracted the attractions also of well-known international businesses investing in all sectors of the country. Ghana has cemented its position and cemented its different characteristics as the most attractive destination for foreign direct investment in Africa, ahead of neighboring countries, for example, like Nigeria, by attracting FDI commitments to the tune of just over 3.5 billion, just looking at the figures in 2018 at the time, with a cargo handling capacity of approximately 3.5 million 20-foot equivalent unit. The Tema port is amongst the top 6 largest and busiest port in Africa. Ghana's Kotoka International Airport has also adjusted the best airport in West Africa and 4th best in the world by the Airport Council International, that's looking at ACI Africa. The country's moved from the 6th last year to the 4th in West African ranking. If you are new to this channel, we will encourage you to subscribe and share our videos to your different
network.
As we will agree that Ghana is not just an example in the continent, it is a place that has also emerged. It has opened its doors for foreign direct investments coming from different quarters. Ghana is an example in the continent. Ghana's people and the population believe in nation building. A lot of them are considering that it is time now or never to scale their businesses. For those companies that are currently doing business in Ghana, you will testify that it's a conducive climate. It's an open society. We are looking on how Ghana is a clear example within the region. Ghana also offers a lot of great workforce and also people who are of high understanding with regards to the economic level. And you do have all workforce from different levels, from those who are able to engage in the normal standard operations, those who are in the white collar jobs, and the top level tier of workers and employees. These professionals are the population in Ghana. Will enhance your business, will contribute hugely in terms of scaling your business from a whole different height. It's important to get into countries that not just the educational system, the operational capacity, and also the infrastructural development. Of course, Ghana does have its own little challenges that we all know, and any major countries within the region and also around the world will have. However, the Ghanaian people believe in how they could scale their country. If you consider Ghana past couple of years ago, if you look at how Ghana has faced its own challenges in different ways in terms of the transformation from the different constitutional issues and moving into transforming the country as to the envy that many people are looking at Ghana today. It's a long story. We've also discussed those in different areas. If you're considering investing in Ghana, there's just no reason why you should be focusing on making sure that you can get a return on investment on your millions that you're going to be putting in the country.
Ghana does provide multiple opportunities for investment beyond mineral resources and mineral deposits. That includes gold and diamonds, and recent discovery of oil and gas paved the way for development of robust oil and gas industry. The country has a huge tradition in terms of agriculture and agro-processing, and recently financial services and telecommunications sectors have seen fast been gaining grounds with regards to the other sectors, providing dynamic and also innovative services to most diverse customers in different parts within the region and the world. Further opportunities exist in the multicultural aspect of the country, and also the information communication technology and tourism are playing a huge part in terms of the foreign direct investments as well. Of course, not those particular areas. There are other sectors that investors could consider while they move into invest in Ghana. Agriculture plays a very important part. The agro industry is also expanding. Cotton and textile, food processing and financial services are also very important. Forestry and also healthcare, horticulture, information communication technology, infrastructure, mineral processing, oil and gas, tourism and utilities, water, electricity, so to point out in this particular sector, and trade. Ghana is an example in the region that has transformed its face in terms of its operations and also considering to become even more attractive as we move in towards 2022. Also, we all will be looking at how Ghana will replace and also place itself post-COVID-19.
Also, do you feel that Ghana just has a good climate in terms of business? Do you feel that Ghana could be an attractive place for you to do business? If you consider that this country has transformed, considering its history, and you want to also think of why Ghana is doing something different that other countries in the region are struggling so far, we want to like to hear to let us know what you feel in the comment section so we are able to hear from you in different capacity. Are you from Ghana? Are you living around the Accra region? Or from which part of the country you are from? Are you a Ghanaian living in the diaspora? We would like to know why people should go into your country and why investors should be considering Ghana top on the list in terms of their investment. We want to thank you for watching. We are looking forward to meeting you soon in our next episode. Have a good day. Bye-bye.